Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can know any country Twitter trends. Okay, so if you want to get any trending Twitter for any country, then you will get easily. So how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. Before the tutorial starts, you are requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem, then let me know in comment below. I'll give you the solution video in upcoming video, right? So let's begin the tutorial. So here you can see the Twitter icon. Click on this. Okay, this is Twitter icon, and you can see the interface of Twitter. So we need to go here. You can see this option, search bar. Click on this, and here you can see the trends for you. So the Twitter shows you only when you are living in your own country. So okay, it depends on your location. Okay, so here you can see the trends for you. So I set trending in United States. So Twitter is showing me that United States trending news. Okay, so I'm not a dollars of United States, but I can set it. So you can also set it for your desirous country. Okay, so how can you do this? Here you can see the option right of corner, icon settings. Okay, click on this, and here you can see show content in this location. So if you turn this on, then only you can able to see a trends of your location. Okay, so here is no set location. So if you set any country, here you can see explore location. Okay, I'll show you here, this one, explore location. So here you can see all country of the world. So if you choose any country to get trends to it. Okay, so I just find, okay, United States. You can set any country. Okay, so after doing all this thing, then here you can see explore location. So trends for you, just click this one. Okay, and go back, and here you can see this is United States. So I just show you the second process. Okay, so if you choose okay, Afghanistan, the first one, then when you go there, go back and refresh it to swipe button, then here you can see the trends for Afghanistan, because you set Afghanistan for your trends. Okay, so it is very easy, friends. You can do this anytime. You can set anytime to know your country. Okay, so friend, I think this tutorial was very helpful for you. So if you think that you got a helpful from this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, and if you face any problem, comment below. And thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.